Guys, okay, I gave my mom an early early Valentine's gift, let's see her reaction. Okay.
Thanks, Megan, or Connor.
Yep. You're not Megan.
You're Connor. I wonder what could be in here. I wonder.
She's very excited.
Wow. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Holy cow. I love it. I really do. Thank you so much.
What is it?
It's a hummingbird. Oh, it's beautiful.
Is it
Thank you,
breakable?
Connor. Yes, it's breakable.
Where are you gonna put it?
In the cereal cabinet right over here.
This is where my mom keeps her.
Keepsakes.
Keeps her real Daltons and breakable stuff.
Wow. Can I put it in there now?
Sure.
Okay.
Look at all this masterpieces.
I know where I'm going to put it. Right here. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you, Connor. I love
It's a
it.
little bit dark. That's nice.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna let you go, but tell me if you want me to do more reactions on my mom, and and subscribe, and hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell for all the notifications that you will get. And I'll see you soon. Bye.